Hello, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we'll discuss how we can customize our WordPress dashboard area, right? So without install any plugin we can easily do that. So once you logged in your WP admin, you can see I already logged in, and at the top this is the WP admin bar. So just click on my site and then dashboard option. Okay, and once you click on my dashboard, you can see this is your WordPress dashboard area where you can see all these things about that glance, activity and news and forms from calendar. Okay, this is we used a gravity form. This is for your station overview. Okay, this is a WordPress events, news, quick drafts, WP form that we already using in the website. You can see that dashboard for WP forms. Okay, and many more things. So we need to rearrange these things. We can change the order, something like this. You can see something using this. We can easily move your WordPress dashboards area. If you would like to move WP forms to the bottom, here you can. Okay, now you can see that gravity form area. You can move this at top. Okay, and activity, you can move this activity as bottom. So this is something you can easily move, and also you can change the color option for WP admin, WP dashboard. So how we can do this for the user when logged in? So in that case, I already logged in as an admin, you can see. And after that, once you logged in, you can see the user profile section. Okay, something like this, user. Okay, so I'm click on user. Okay, so this is a user, one is admin, one is for WP dev. Okay, and just click on profile. Okay, so once click on profile, as I logged in as an admin, so we are going to customize the dashboard for admin actually right now. So you can see the personal options and admin color scheme. You can see as of now it's activated as a default. So once you click on light, you can see dashboard coloring option has been changed. You can select modern. Okay, you can see the color is changed. You can select for blue. Okay, you can see, and you can see the coffee. So this is the coffee color. Okay, you can see, once you click on this, you can see the color is changed, right? Midnight color you can see as well. So this is for midnight color. Okay, ocean, now you can see this is ocean, and this is something for sunrise. Okay, so this is the area where you can choose your color scheme for the admin. So as of now I'm choosing a blue, so you can see the dashboard is blue, right? Everything is blue. It's really good, and you can change the things, and you can revert back to the default just simply. So I just choose a blue for as of now. Okay, and you can see we no need to use any plugin to adding your color scheme on your WordPress admin. So this is something you can easily customize our WordPress dashboard area, okay, without install any plugin. That's it. Thank you.